When instructors choose what kind of a forum they're going to employ, we have the generic forum and then we have an open forum. The generic forum, you have to grade it within that construct, and with the open forum, you actually have an open grader that you can use. Of the 5 forum types, the one that is best for using a single prompt to make the students really focus on the one thing the instructor wants them to discuss and not go far afield is probably the single simple discussion format. So let's take a look at that in both the regular and also the open forum model. Okay, so we see at the top, we see the prompt the instructor gave. This is what the instructor wants them to be discussing. On this other side, once again, we see the same thing. This is the prompt that the instructor wants them to discuss. And what the students will do, the first person or later, will always just come up here and tap reply. Likewise here, they'll tap reply. And we hit post or submit. So very similar user interface for this on both sides for the single simple. You'll see it's fairly simple to figure out. You can go to the reply for this person, and this is set up as nested. You'll see that in this one you have an option of setting up oldest first, newest first, or as a thread. The thread looks like this. It's not terribly helpful. And then I'm just going to leave it as nested, so they're just inset a little bit when people are responding one to the other or to the initial prompt. The student would see the original prompt, the reply to that, the reply to this person, and I want to reply to just this person who's one step down, and I can put that in. Likewise on the open forum version of the same, I can see it set up very similarly. And you can see how they're inset as well, and then I can reply to the other people, or I can apply to the initial prompt, but I'm not given the chance to start a new discussion. So you'll see how that works, and once again I think this is a little simpler than some of the other discussion forums where people are adding new topics as well as responding to various topics. Thanks so much.